going to see how the hydraulic cylinder workshop looks like. Follow me, let's see. Materials area. For the raw materials, we make 100% inspection. Only the qualified raw materials can be stocked in our warehouse. For our standard cylinders, we make the safety inventory for the raw materials to ensure timely supply and stable quality for our customers. Here is our individual warehouse for the sales gate. As you can see that it is individual and separated and dust-free to meet the storage standard for sales gate. We can offer various options for each customer's requirement, from the China Top Classic brand and Turkey brand and other brand, with a solid quality and competitive cost. Now we are in our automatic machine center. All the parts of the cylinder will be machined here, including the cylinder rod, piston, flange, and the tube and other parts have the machine requirements based on the drawings. The cylinder tube is going to be skiving, rolling, and hanging over here to ensure that the inner surface of the tube is smoothly with highly strength. For the cylinder cap, then they are going to be machined here automatically. Here is our CNC machine center. For the high accuracy machine requirements, we can make it over here. We have various knives to meet the different requirements for the drawings and the customer requirements. Here is our inspection platform for the automatic machine center. For the pieces, the inspector will make the spot check, and for the first piece and the last piece, we will make the 100% check. Here is our welding production line. For the welding, we use the automatic welding. And for our technicians here, they are well trained to ensure the stable for the welding.
After cleaning, all the parts are going to be assembled in the individual dust-free workshop.
Here is our pressure testing area. For each cylinder, we make the 100% pressure testing. Only the qualified cylinders can be moved into the next part. After the pressure testing, the cylinders will be cleaned over here, and then they are going to be painted. Here is our painting line. We can offer both painting and powder painting. Now we are in our quality center. For quality control, we operate the ISO 901 quality management system to ensure the solid quality. For the equipment, we have various inspection equipment for the quality. This is the packed cylinder with the carbon box, and we are going to put the cylinders into the iron box for the sea shipment. So for the sea shipment, we will offer the standard packing for the iron box. If the customer have other special requirements, we can also offer the wooden case for sea shipment.
With decades manufacturing experience, Weitai will offer you the best solution for hydraulic cylinders. Long-term mutually beneficial cooperation with you is our priority.